back onto the topic of Amazon, Jeff Bezos stepped down, but Amazon also announced that they have plans to install always-on surveillance cameras in its delivery vehicles. I've spoken to a lot of people about this, and some people are all for it. They say, if it's for safety, it's only when people are on duty, it's a great thing. Some other people were not as happy about it because people who work for the company, there's really no privacy. All throughout the day, if they're driving, it's always on. It's always going to be on. And the hardware and software for these cameras and these surveillance systems for Amazon are supplied by a company called Netradyne, which is a California company behind a platform called Drivery that uses cameras and artificial intelligence to analyze a driver as they operate the vehicle. So with these new cameras in place, if you drive for Amazon, anyone who is a delivery driver for Amazon, the way it works is that the cameras record 100% of the time. They upload footage to a dedicated safety team for review if any one of 16 signals are triggered through an incident happening. So if you don't stop at a stop sign or any other action that takes place, well then it's going to notify the safety team, and you could get potentially in trouble if you work at the company. I like it because it is, promoting safety. Just on the other hand, some people are not as much for this because it gives the workers no privacy. They're watched the whole entire time while they are on duty. So I think it's great that they're focusing on safety. I really like that. Let's not get confused. Safety when driving is the most important thing. Eventually, they're probably going to have autonomous cars do a lot of this work. But for now, I think improving safety is number one, no matter what. And if this can help it, I'm all for it. And I just know the other hand, too, at the other side of the coin is that some people are not as excited about this because it's on 100% of the time. Yes, the driver is able to manually disable the camera when the ignition is off. Yes, drivers are able to manually upload footage when they choose to, but it is on most of the time, and it will be detecting to make sure people aren't distracted when they're driving, that they stop at stop signs, that they slow down when they're supposed to slow down, and that they are driving safely. So I think all of that is good.